Congratulations on your purchase of the sun tunnel. If you're installing the sun tunnel yourself, we suggest you watch this short video before beginning the project. This video is designed to be used in conjunction with the written instructions included with your package. For starters, let's make sure you have all the tools required to install your sun tunnel. You'll need a pencil, a tape measure, a keyhole saw, a screw gun or screwdriver, a hammer, wire cutters, a knife, a flat pry bar, and a reciprocating or jigsaw. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the contents of the sun tunnel package. The sun tunnel consists of the dome, the skylight top frame with a stainless steel collar, 6 feet of reflective tubing, the stainless steel lower ring, the ceiling frame ring, the prismatic diffuser, the ceiling ring gasket, the hardware kit, and PVC tape. If this is the first time you're installing a sun tunnel, allow 3 hours, and it's best to start in the cool morning hours. Go to the roof and check the approximate location where the sun tunnel will be installed. Be sure that there are no obstructions like shady trees, hips, ridges, or valleys in the area. Keep in mind that the sun tunnel works best with southern exposure. The straighter and shorter the tube is, the better the performance. In the house, decide where you would like to place your sun tunnel. Make a template by tracing the inside of the ceiling ring on the sun tunnel box. Find the center point of the template by drawing 2 lines and make a small hole. You'll be using it a little later. Inside the house, tap a marker nail through the ceiling into the attic at the location you want to place your sun tunnel. Go to the attic, move back the insulation material, and locate your marker nail. Check that the attic space is clear of obstructions. Near the marker nail, find the center point between the attic joists and tap in another nail. This nail will be the center point for your template on the ceiling below. For the 22-inch model, you may have to cut a joist and install a header if the joists in the ceiling are 16 inches on center. The same is true for the roof rafters. Place another nail or screw from the attic up through the roof sheathing between the rafters to get the center point for the sun tunnel on the roof. If the space between the ceiling and the roof exceeds 6 feet, you will need additional tubing. Back in the house, center the cardboard template directly over the nail from the attic and carefully trace a circle around the template. Carefully cut along the traced line on the ceiling with a keyhole saw. Remove the sheetrock plug. Insert the ceiling frame ring and attach it with the 1.5-inch screws and plastic lugs provided. Place the screws through the ceiling ring and the ceiling. Secure the screws at the top with the plastic lugs. To finish, cover the screws with a plastic tab. Now it's time to assemble your sun tunnel. First, attach the gasket to the diffuser by stretching the gasket to fit. Make sure the smooth side of the gasket is on the smooth side of the diffuser with the textured side facing down. If you ordered the double pane sun tunnel, the gasket has 2 channels for each pane. The clear pane goes on top, or the smooth side of the gasket, and the textured side of the diffuser should face down. Next, attach the flexible tubing over the stainless steel collar, which is inserted in the body of the skylight. Be sure to get 2 or 3 strands of the wire over the collar and above the tabs. Bend the tabs outward through the tubing in a hook shape to secure the tubing against the collar. Turn the sun tunnel and bend all 4 tabs into place. Take the PVC tape and wrap securely around the whole thing 3 times. Be sure the tape connects the tubing and the collar, sealing all the holes made when bending back the tab. Remove the protective film from the ring and take the assembled unit and lower ring up to the roof for the installation. Up on the roof, center your template over the nail from the attic. Trace a line around the template using chalk. Using a reciprocating or jigsaw, cut around the circle and remove the plug. Cut just outside the line to increase the size of the hole slightly. For asphalt shingle roofs, loosen the shingles with the flat pry bar. On wood shake roofs, remove the shakes on the side and upper portion of the location. Be sure to remove nails and staples where the flashing will go under the roofing material. Nail down the loose roofing material in the lower course where the lower portion of the flashing will cover the roof. Measure down from the top of the roof surface to the top of the ceiling in order to establish the length of the tube required. Remember to allow extra tubing for bends and angles, but keep in mind that the tubing should be tight once the installation is complete. Stretch the tube to the required length and cut using a utility knife and wire cutters. Pull the loose end of the tube over the stainless steel lower ring about halfway up and secure it with PVC tape wrapped 2 or 3 times around. With the tubing and lower ring attached, lower the ring through the roof opening and slide the base into position under the loosened roofing material. Ensure that the upper portion of the sheet metal flashing is underneath both the existing roof material and under the underlayment or felt for wood shake roofs. Flashing for tile roofs is available with a lead skirt. The lower portion of the sheet metal flashing should be on top of the existing roof surface. Secure the flashing to the roof by nailing each side into the roofing material. Replace the roofing material that was removed during the installation. Sun Tunnel recommends that you place roofing sealant under the roofing material on asphalt shingle roofs. For a venting option on the 14-inch model, simply knock out the existing piece with a hammer and replace it with the mesh tab piece provided by snapping it into place. Secure the dome with the screws and the roof portion of the installation is completed. To finish up inside, reach through the ceiling hole and pull the stainless steel lower ring down into the ceiling frame. Attach it with the 4 small screws provided. Remove the protective film from the ring. Flex the complete diffuser assembly to insert it through the ceiling frame opening. Rest the diffuser on top of the ceiling frame ring. Raise one side of the assembly up and let the lower side of the gasket lift over the inside edge of the ceiling frame. Pull down the lower ball section of the gasket until you have worked it around the entire perimeter of the ceiling frame. Your sun tunnel is installed. That's it for the video portion of the installation. Be sure to read the enclosed, easy-to-follow directions to make your installation a sure success. Good luck and have a bright day. To answer any technical questions, call 1-800-369-3664.